Dear students, myself Dr. Sadashivappa GC. In session 56, I continue the conquest of Turks on India during the 11th century AD. So the causes for expedition of Muhammad Ghazni. One is Muhammad Ghazni was the first receiver the honor of Sultan. The profession is was and spread of Islam. He is a great follower of Islam and the plunder of Indian wealth and wars against Hindus. So he continued throughout his life against the Hindus. Expansion of their empire in Central Asia towards he has a use empire and try to towards expand east. Revenge against Hindu Shahi kings, and he has a lot of interest on Indian elephants because they are the more talented animals in warfare. Then Muhammad led as many as 17 expeditions on India. These expeditions held between 1000 to 1027 AD. The first expedition was 1000 AD on frontier towns of India in northwest. The second expedition in 1001 AD against the Hindu Shahi king Jaipala. Then the third expedition in 1004 AD on Bera ruled by Hindu king Baji Rai. Then the fourth expedition in 1006 AD on Multan ruled by Fateh Daud king. Fifth expedition in 1007 AD against Fateh Dawood and Sukhpala. His name is Nawaz Shah, a grandson of Jaipal. Then the sixth expedition in 1008 AD against Hindu Shahi king Anandapala and United Front of Rajputs. For first time, the Rajputs united against Muhammad Ghazni. The seventh expedition in 1009 AD on Hindu center Nagarkot situated in Kangra range. Then the expeditions were continued. The 8th expedition in 1010 AD towards Multan punished the leader of rebellious. Ninth expedition in 1014 AD against Hindu Shahi king Trilochapala and United Front of Kashmira king. Trilochapala with Kashmira king and the followers of their kingship. 10th expedition in 1014 AD on Thaneshwara. The next expedition, 11th expedition in 1015 AD on Kashmir, but it was failed in Kashmir. Then the 12th expedition in 1018 AD on Kanos, the king of Bulandar Shah and Mahawan. The 13th expedition in 1018 AD on Mathura, it was called the city of Temple in Uttar Pradesh. 14th expedition in 1018 AD, Brundavana, it's the same year. Mathura Brundavana is a very, very near place in that Uttar Pradesh, now Uttar Pradesh. 15th expedition in 1019 AD against alliance of Rajputs and Kalinjar ruler Gonda. Then the 16th expedition in 1025 to 26 AD on Somanatha temple. This was the most important of all the expeditions. Somanatha, situated in southern part of Kathiawar region, an important Shaiva center. In that temple, lot of wealth is protected and collected. So this is the main cause to conquest on Somanath. After the conquest of acquire the Somanatha temple, Muhammad looted lot of wealth like jewels, silvers, and other ornaments with the rupee, like so other things. Then the last expedition in 1026 AD against Jats of Punjab, but the but and it was died in 1030th. So this is the very bad luck for Muhammad Ghazni. Then effects of Ghazni's expedition on India. The most of the Hindu kings were destroyed against Ghazni. They are not able to resist the Ghazni's expeditions. Then Islam spreads in India. Punjab become main door for foreign invaders. The Punjab is easy route and proper route to came to Central Asia to India. This is the right route, but the Sindh route is wrong route. Arabs were opted that route. So then India lost their wealth and military power because of the expeditions of Muhammad Ghazni. The Hindus temples, education centers were ruined. Then expeditions of Muhammad lightened on disintegration of Rajapurs. They were also more powerful in northern part of India. These are the MCQs on advent of Turks, which was the honor of Muhammad Ghazni. The answer is A. Sultan. He is the first receiver of Sultan. What is the meaning of jihad? Jihad means B. It is a religious war. Answer is B. When was Muhammad Ghazni expedition begun? Answer is C. 1000 AD. Then when was at the conquest of Somanatha Temple? Answer is D. 1025 to 26 AD. What was the meaning of Muhammad? Muhammad, the meaning is the breaker of idol. In the uh, Somanatha conquest, after the acquisition of Somanatha, he was to break the Shiva's idol, Shiva's goddess, Shiva's image. Okay, thank you.